Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Buick Enclave Premium. This one is a champagne silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 pushing out 288 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A brown leather interior. Sunroof. This one does have a third row seat and rear captain's chairs. Coming around back, we've got our Buick Enclave badging, a power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, back we've got a rear seat entertainment, rear climate controls, video and audio inputs, a 120 volt power source, and up front we have a nice wood interior trim, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats, nice wood grain steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got a rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, lane assist, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Buick has 77,609 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Buick, check out feldmanimports.com.